I'm speechless right now. Today, we step into the world of powerful tree cutting and wood grinding machines, where skill and precision are pushed to the limit. Let's get started. The massive Hyundai Robex 260 roars, its body trembling like a steel monster awakening. The 2,755-pound ripper digs deep into the earth, its gleaming steel teeth gripping the massive tree trunk. A powerful pull, and the ground seems to explode. Roots, soil, and rocks are ripped up all at once, creating a breathtaking display of raw power. The Stump boss roars, its engine echoing like industrial thunder. As the grinding blade meets the hard tree stump, sparks fly and wood dust fills the air. The high-speed rotation heats the metal to a glowing red, creating a continuous swirling streak of light. Thick layers of wood are gradually ground away, while the sharp screech reverberates across the area. The old Soviet T-40 tractor roars, its body shaking violently as it faces the massive tree stump. The engine thunders, chains stretched to their limits, while soil and rocks fly under the tremendous pull. The thick tree trunk wobbles, then slowly uproots. It's incredible that a machine decades old can still display such relentless power. Oh no! This scene makes the heart race. The lumberjack is handling a towering mahogany tree, just a few meters away from the power lines. Every move is incredibly precise, each climb, each swing of the saw shows his skill and extensive experience. The saw echoes through the air, wood begins to crack, and the entire trunk slowly tips over. It's astonishing how he fully controls the fall, avoiding both the power lines and the vehicle below. Amazing! The power of the T300 leaves everyone watching in awe. The machine moves slowly but with immense force. Its massive bucket digs deep into the earth, tearing through thick roots and lifting the entire tree stump in one decisive motion. The T300 keeps moving, handling each tree stump as if they were mere minor obstacles. Wow! Unbelievable power on display. The self-propelled wood shredder PTH 1400/820 all-road Petzolato roars like a mechanical beast. Driven by a 550 horsepower Scania DC-13 engine, it produces a thunderous roar, like the sound of metal in sheer force. The massive shredding blades spin at dizzying speed, pulling in and tearing apart every piece of hardwood in an instant. No tree stump is tough enough to stop it, everything is pulverized, turning into neat piles of wood chips. Wait, what? It's unbelievable that such power comes from a tiny chainsaw. Even trees uprooted by storms, with massive roots and trunks weighing hundreds of kilos, can't stand in its way. It's amazing how such a compact tool can deliver such enormous efficiency. Wow! It's incredible to witness the power of the M2030 wood splitter. In the blink of an eye, massive logs are pushed into the sharp splitting blade, neatly dividing into perfectly sized pieces. Stubborn, hard logs succumb one by one, turning into valuable fuel for the upcoming cold winter. Leave a like or comment if you're excited about these amazing machines. Oh, okay. Instead of using heavy machinery or exhausting manual labor, they rely on a spare tire to uproot the tree. No roaring engines, no flying soil and rocks, just clever precision and ingenuity in using simple mechanical leverage. The massive 330 excavator is operating a special tree stump cutter, its sharp steel blade spinning at high speed. With a single press, the blade digs deep into the ground, cutting through each tough root layer. The screech of metal against wood echoes sharply, while the ground trembles violently. The enormous tree stump begins to move, soil and rocks flying with every powerful rotation. In just a few minutes, the entire massive root mass is chopped and cleared neatly, leaving the ground perfectly smooth as if nothing was ever there. Thick slices of wood are cut away in an instant, the surface perfectly smooth, leaving everyone watching in awe. The massive tree trunk is gradually divided into flawless, neatly arranged planks, as if cut by a laser. The operator gently maneuvers the controls, while the machine handles the heavy work with astonishing power. Spectacular! Massive tree trunks are fed into the machine, and instantly, the sharp blades spin like a whirlwind. The grinding roar echoes loudly, each piece of wood pulverized into fine chips in the blink of an eye. The processing speed is incredible, not a second of pause, not a single moment slowing down. The scene at the Wimmer sawmill is truly breathtaking. Gigantic, solid logs are fed into the production line, trembling under the immense power of the cutting machine. Sharp blades spin rapidly, gliding through multi-ton trunks in mere seconds. The grinding roar resonates loudly, each cut precise and perfectly regular. Flat, perfectly straight planks are continuously pushed out, as if this machine never tires. At this factory, the CAT machine demonstrates incredible power and precision. Its massive grab arm reaches out, lifting bundles of wood weighing hundreds of kilos as if they were mere toothpicks. Once the bundles are placed neatly on the conveyor, the entire system operates in perfect sync, moving smoothly and efficiently. Leave a like or hit subscribe to not miss out on these amazing wood transportation journeys. The Rabot Zilog 800 machine is showcasing truly astonishing mechanical power. Combining a sharp circular saw with an automatic log splitter, it transforms massive logs into perfect pieces of firewood in just seconds. The wood is fed in, cut, split, and dropped precisely, no excess, no misstep. Each finished piece falls neatly, as if placed by invisible hands. Unbelievable! The grab arm moves with remarkable agility, gently clasping each heavy poplar log and lifting it as if weightless. The autonomous vehicle rolls smoothly, navigating rough terrain with astonishing stability. The entire process of unloading, arranging, and transporting flows seamlessly, like a perfectly orchestrated mechanical symphony. It's incredible to witness a system operating independently while maintaining safety, rhythm, and maximum efficiency. Right in the processing workshop, the Stump 1600 oak cutting line starts operating with a powerful, resonant roar. The 63-inch bandsaw spins steadily, its sharp blade like a lightning strike, slicing smoothly through the dense oak trunks. Each cut is executed with absolute precision, leaving the wood surface flat and smooth, as if freshly polished. The machine works non-stop, cutting each massive log in turn and arranging them neatly on the conveyor. Everything happens with a speed and accuracy that leaves viewers in awe.